How to enter the radio code for a Renault Clio and most other Renault models. Standard Renault radio, not locked and now asking for the code. To enter the first digit, on the back of the radio stalk at the steering column is a rotary switch here. This needs to be rotated to change the number. As I rotate it, the number will change. Once you get to the first number, first number is 8. On the underneath of the steering column is a switch. Press it once, briefly. That then moves it to the second digit. The next number in sequence is 7, so we need to rotate the switch again. Once it gets to 7, again we press the button underneath. That's moved it to the third number. The third number is a 4, which again we change with the rotary switch. Press the button to move it along one. The last number on this particular radio is a 6, so we'll rotate the switch until we get to 6. 8746 is the correct code. Now we press and hold the switch on the underside of the steering.
An EU rule that says you can't.
And that's it. All there is to it.